Hi everyone, this has HP Spectre x360 laptop. So don't waste the time. Let's go to the video.
HP Spectre x360 2021 2-minute review. It's hard to improve on a winning formula, but the HP Spectre x360 2021 has done just that. It raises the bar of what to expect out of these laptops now that it comes with Intel's Evo certification. To meet Intel standards, HP had to not only improve upon the laptop's performance but its design and battery life as well. In fact, it lasted almost 13 hours in our PC Mark 10 battery life test. This makes the 2021 refresh of the Spectre x360 one of the best laptops out there right now, building on everything we loved in our HP Spectre x360 2020 review. Whether you're concerned about battery life and want something that can hang with Chromebooks and MacBooks during long workdays, need something portable enough to easily take on the go, or want something powerful, the HP will be able to satisfy just about any user outside of hardcore gamers. With that said, the HP Spectre x360 takes some missteps. It's a bit clumsy when in tablet mode since it's a bit too big to comfortably use in that mode. If that's a crucial feature for you and you want a laptop that's as easy to use no matter what form factor it's in, you might want to consider a Surface Pro 7 or iPad instead, which are thin and light tablets that can be used with keyboards.
So this was today's video. I hope like. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye.